Right, hello, this is a Zanussi AutoReverse TD200 vented tumble dryer from 1985. This dryer has surprised me in a couple of ways. One, the machine had a new capacitor fitted by the company I used to work for in 1987. Two, the capacitor that it had when I picked it up was like that. And thirdly, what I wasn't expecting is the machine has a secondary motor for blowing or drawing the air through the tumble jar. I was expecting it to have a fan belt or just a fan on the end of a motor, but it's not like that at all. There's a separate motor, which I'll have a look at in a minute. But anyway, this is the tumble jar. I picked it up not very far from home. It came with the 2-dial Nexus, which you might have seen on my Instagram. That needs a jump spider, and at the time of recording this video is by my bins in my back garden waiting to go to the dump. This works. It did run. I had plugged it in with the old original capacitor in place actually. I did give the drum a nudge to get it going. But yeah, that was in. I had no idea, to be fair, until I took the covers off. I was curious about the noise from the motors and the airflow. Not matching up really. Anyway, enough rambling. We'll have a quick look at the fascia, quick look inside, around the back, and then we'll put some washing in and see how it behaves. So on the left hand side we've got the table of drying times. It's £10 load, what's that, 5 kilograms roundabout, and synthetics, pardon me, is £4 max. We've got AutoReverse TD200. I think the TD100 was the bottom of line dryer that didn't reverse, I'm not too sure. And at the other end of the fascia we've got the timer dial. Like all old Zanussi seem to be, you've got one side of the timer is for cotton's high heat and the other side is synthetics lower heat, and we've got a mains neon in the middle of the fascia. Now the door is plastic. It's got this plastic bowl with little holes in it. This window was completely fluffed up when I got the machine. Seems like a right nightmare to clean. We've got a plastic catch, obviously that's solid all around the top, and then at the bottom there's an opening where the air would go into the filter at the bottom of the dryer door. This little door gasket is held on with a retaining band like a washing machine. Might be able to just see the spring down there, promise you it's there. The filter sits in the bottom, fluff will collect on this side. There's a little catch bit at the bottom as well, which I haven't seen before. And the dryer drum is fairly standard of Zanussis of this era and to follow for about 20 years, maybe more. So this is in the back of the tumble jar. I've not cleaned this out very well at all. I've just picked up some fluff with my hands. As we can see, we've got the new capacitor in there, the silver one. We've got the main dryer motor, which is quite a big, beefy induction motor actually. And we've got a pair of jockey wheels with a pair of springs and the belt going along the bottom. And over there is a big motor. And behind that, in the plastic box, round box, will be the blower fan. Duct goes around the side to the back of the tumble dryer. And you've got an exhaust there and an exhaust there with a very yellowed cap in it. You can see there's a thermostat there as well. Terminal for heating element, I guess it draws the air in. Oh, you can see the element there, look at the bottom. That's where it will suck the air in. There should be a cover on here which I've taken off. Right, so we're going to tumble dry some bedding that I've washed in the AquaCycle. I don't think I put the video out at the time I'm putting this video out. And we're going to go for, that's synthetics, isn't it? 80 minutes, cotton. had, as the drive drum stopped to reverse, the airflow stayed constant. That's what threw me. Sounds a bit ropey that way. Anyway, I'm going to end the video there. That sounds quite nasty actually. I'm sure that it can be sorted though. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, goodbye.